Previously on Ellis Car Customs. Well, this is the cliffhanger we left you with. We're still working on it. Doug here, Ellis Car Customs, where we put the K in cliffhanger. So we're going to work a little bit more on this corner and probably a little bit more on the opposite corner, and I may look at those old hinges again and see if there's something I can salvage with them. I found a couple of places that have the hinges in stock, but they want over 200 bucks by the time they get to my door. So I don't know. I may mess around with them old hinges for an hour or two and see if there's any use in spending my time on them. But I'll set up some work here and I'll bring you back, show you what I'm doing. So yeah, I drilled this out so I can spot weld the top of this, which I haven't done yet. I spot welded the bottom there. Forever I've had this thing clamped together and just never got around to spot welding the two pieces, so that's what we're doing right there. Almost like we know what we're doing. Almost. Now this is our test fit. Make sure it's gonna line up with that. Nothing to hold it in yet, but yeah. That's gonna go in there like that. So we'll get it ready and we'll weld it. Did you ever get the feeling you were being watched? So you got this side pretty much welded in. So We'll start roughing it in like we did the other side there, and see how far we can get. White toes approved. My buddy always has the best view of everything. So I was grinding and sanding on this thing, and apparently there's a lead joint on these Nomads. I never knew there was a joint there, but I was like, I don't know if at first I thought maybe it was an old repair back in the days before Bondo people used lead, but coming over to this side here, I mean, it's in the same spot. I'm guessing there's a joint here from the factory that they filled with lead, and they didn't do a particularly good job at it because it's kind of lumpy. So I've been taking heavy grit paper and just knocking it down to smooth it out. But yeah, you learn something every day. It's almost like automotive archaeology. I'll get a little more done and I'll bring you back. Well, there's the old corner there in primer. So you got all the bits tied together. Bodywork is probably one of the few things in life where you work so hard on something, but the trick is you don't want it to look like you did anything. So that's what we got going on there. I figured everybody'd get a kick out of seeing that. We got started on this side, but there's ways to go. But let's stand back here. But yeah, it looks nice to have at least one finished corner. My buddy approves of it. So that's what we got done today. My nephew was here helping me out with some filming again today, and if I managed to put any of the time-lapse stuff in there, that's thanks to him. His name is Mark. He's my nephew, and he's trying to help me improve the show a little bit, show you a little bit more what I'm doing and, you know, how I do it. But glad you stopped by, and hope to see you on the next one. Take care. See ya.